A warning this evening that the island's garbage collection problems could worsen if the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, fails to address a salary dispute with the sidemen who work on garbage trucks. Krista Campbell has the details.
A garbage pile-up across the island that could only get worse, according to the union representing garbage collectors.
The workers are restive. I've been trying to keep the things together, but at some point, it may very well be out of my control.
Dexroy Martin says while he doesn't have enough information to say a pay cut is the reason for the garbage pile-up,
there has been a coincidence between the cutting of the days and the increase in garbage pile-up because you don't have enough people on the days to do what is required.
A sanitation worker speaking to TVJ News anonymously made a more direct link.
To them cut the pay. Someone kind of to get back then days.
Now he's referring to the 5 days a week garbage collectors are now being required to work, down from the 7 days they worked normally. CEO of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, which pays the workers, Audley Gordon, says it's a cost-cutting measure the company had to take.
Now, overtime is not something that's a part of your salary. Overtime is supposed to be used only when necessary. What was happening at the agency is that we have developed a culture of overtime, and people begin to plan because of that bad culture.
Removing the overtime has meant for some people that they go home with $2,000 for the fortnight. I've seen pay slips with people going home with $200 for the fortnight, and I've seen at least two where people are going home with $0.
There are a lot of people who have engaged loan companies and have huge loan balances. And so they have difficulty servicing the loan now and getting anything to take home. And that is what is the problem.
Mr. Martin says the National Workers Union has spoken to the company and written to the Ministries of Finance and local government to intervene, noting that while overtime is not a right, it was helping to stop a gap created by an already meager salary. Like the garbage truck drivers, he wants the sidemen to be given at least 6 days per week to work, but notes the NSWMA says it will revisit its new overtime policy in January.
If it is that a driver does overtime legitimately, they are paid for that. But we didn't take away overtime and give back overtime just to give back overtime. Where adjustments have to be made to facilitate a triple shift or whatever, that is done. And that is business decision, that good business decision all over the place.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.